So this recording, we're looking at Edexcel S2, June 2011, question 4. And this question is going to be using and dealing with the uniform distribution. So in a game, players select sticks at random from a box containing a large number of sticks of different lengths. And the length of a randomly chosen stick has a continuous uniform distribution over the interval 7 to 10. A stick is selected at random from the box. Find the probability that the stick is shorter than 9.5. So there's lots of ways of doing this, but thinking about a picture is the easiest way. So if I think about my distribution going from 7 to 10, firstly, based on that, its width is 3, I know its height is 1/3. And I'm looking at the probability of it being less than 9.5. So I'm really looking at this area here. So it's an area, so it's going to be 9.5 minus 7 times by 1/3. And if I calculate that, that's going to give me 5/6. Okay, so that's 2 marks, 1 mark for setting up the fact that we're doing area of a rectangle, and A1 for getting the correct answer. To win a bag of sweets, a player must select 3 sticks and wins if the length of the longest stick is more than 9.5. Find the probability of winning the bag of sweets. Well, to do this, firstly, we need the probability that the longest one is greater than 9.5. Well, we've got to realise what this means. So all of them can be worked out in the following way. So it's 1 minus the probability that all of them are less than 9.5. The reason being that the longest stick has to be more than 9.5. So if all of them are less than 9.5, that's not true. So this statement is saying that we've got at least one stick which is greater than 9.5. So to do this, we've just worked out that that is 5/6, and it's going to be 5/6 cubed. So calculating that through will give me 91 over 216, which as a decimal is 0.421 to 3 significant figures. So again, quite a tricky question, but method 1 is for setting up the probability statement, and your accuracy is for getting the answer. To win a soft toy, a player must select 6 sticks and wins the toy if more than 4 of the sticks are shorter than 7.6. So we've now got to ask, find the probability of winning a soft toy. So the first thing to consider is, well, what is the probability of getting a stick which is less than 7.6 centimeters? Well, we can work that out because it's going to be 7.6 minus 7 times by the height of the uniform distribution, which is 1/3. So the probability that a single stick is less than 7.6 is going to give me a value of 0.2. So now let's think about this. We're selecting 6 sticks. So let y be the number of sticks which are shorter than 7.6. Okay, and I want 4 of these. So really this is actually a binomial distribution where we've got 6 sticks and the probability that one is shorter than 7.6 centimeters is 0.2. And what I'm really looking for now is the probability that y is greater than or equal to 4. Sorry, just greater than, because it's strictly more than. Okay, which is going to be 1 minus the probability that y is less than and equal to 4. So to do this, we need to use the binomial. And we know that the probability of y being less than or equal to 4 is equal to 0.9984. So in this question, we're going to do 1 minus that. Just write it out again. So that's going to be 1 minus 0.9984, which is going to give me the answer of 0.0016. Okay, so they like doing this on S2, this type of question. So we get a B mark for working out the probability of 1 stick. We get a method mark for setting up the fact that we're dealing with a binomial, and a method mark for setting up the correct probability statement, followed by an accuracy mark for getting the correct answer.